This is a neighborhood. Nights 11, 9:50, KmoghtsBridge. This is work going on. We'll be doing the landscaping, new mulch, and maybe few plants. Something here too. This will be all pressure wash. Garage. We're working on some repairs here. Drywall and the floor will be painted. And the laundry area. Bathroom downstairs. There's a closet here downstairs. And you have like a big living room with a dining area here. And then you have a family room sitting here. Another dinette here. And then your kitchen. Excuse the mess because it's being cleaned as we speak, as I make the video. And then the backyard is all fenced in. You can see, so if you have a dog, it cannot get out of it, or any animal for that matter. You can see that's the backyard. You see all the cleaning stuff laying around is people working as we speak. And this door opens up. You can open it and go out this way if you have to. This is the back of the house. It's covered, you can do barbecue, whatever you want to do. Okay, and then go up the ladder. Cleaning. This landing here. This is the master bedroom. Master closet. And it's got a shower. Roman tub. Toilet here. And just checking the lights while I'm at it too. They are still working. And this is with the master bedroom. There's another room. It's gonna make an office, or maybe if you have the younger kids, they can stay in there. Hey, Stacy, sorry. It's a bathroom upstairs. Got a tub. Another bedroom here. So far, 3 bedrooms. Then we have another bedroom with a closet. The painting and cleaning the place. Closet here too. And that's the end of our tour. There is a linen closet here. A nice size linen closet.